Hey you guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how to make clear slime. So yeah, let's just get on with the video. Yeah, so what you will need is, it doesn't have to be a glass one. I just found it in my bathroom and nobody was using it. So you just need something to mix in. Something to mix with. I'm using a colored pencil. Clear glue. And then it says great for slime making. Saline solution or any activator. And food coloring, which I'm using blue because it's my favorite color. Which is optional, of course. So yeah, that's what you will need. I'm gonna get the baking soda after, or I'll see if it works without the baking soda, but I don't think so. So, okay, so I keep saying so. So, just you're going to be so you're going to be putting your glue in as much as you want. Putting that much. Okay. Now, don't mix very hard because then the bubbles will come in. Even though, like when you pour it in a little, there's still a little bit of bubbles. I'll just show you. Oh my. If you don't really see the bubbles, oh, those are the bubbles, and it will make them if you like mix it very like hard. So right now, you could go ahead and put your food coloring in, but if you just want it transparent, then yeah, what you want. Oh, by the way, I'm gonna make an update actually. Now, if it's clear, yeah. Or I could just show you after it's been like, you have to leave it out for like 3 days, a week, in a little container. Okay. Madison. Madison. That's my dog. Well, I'm mixing it very slowly. So yeah, just keep mixing until, or you could just keep adding your food coloring. I'm gonna mix, and I'm gonna keep mixing, and I might add a little bit more blue food coloring, and yeah. So I'm back. And yeah, I kept mixing. I tried to get the bubbles out, like popping them, but putting it to the side. Nothing. What? There's like a little. Really pretty. So yeah, you're going to be adding your saline solution. I call it, this is saline solution. Okay, leave in the comments below and say yes or no if saline solution contact lens solution are the same thing. So I already put a few drops for the slime, and I'm pretty sure it's going to be needing a little bit of baking soda, so I'm gonna go get it. Go get a little pinch. So yeah, be right back. So I already put it. If you see those little white stuff, yep, you see them. I already put it. Yep, I need some slime. Doesn't move around. So I'm going to be king. Why did I say I'm going to be king? So I think I'm just gonna make an update next year because I don't know how to like stop it and stuff because I really just started tweeting. So I'll be right back until I get the consistency I want. Yeah. So I'm gonna add a little bit more baking soda because it's just watery because I didn't add that much. I just didn't like that much. So yeah, I'm gonna go get the pinch of baking soda. So I got the pinch of baking soda. Now I put it everywhere. I'm gonna mix and mix and mix. So be right back. So it is getting very clumpy. So yeah, really excited this time. I haven't really, like, as you can see, it's not that much I have made, so I haven't made it in a long time. I'm just looking at my dolls. I'll show you it. I'll show you them right now. If you can see them. Did you see them? Did you? Why is it upside down? Did you see them or not? I'm gonna hold it like that now. Yep. It worked. So I can make this video up to 35 minutes and 37 seconds because I deleted some of my videos to make this video and others, of course. So this is how it's turning out when I mix it. See if you can see it. All that big bowl. So I'm gonna add more and I'll be right back when it's ready. So it's ready. It's really good slime. It's really good. Ready, set, go. Wow. It's a really good slime. Really stretchy. Very satisfying. It's a little tiny bit sticky, but I'm okay with that. But it's really stretchy. Satisfying. Yes. So I'm just going to be doing a whole for 2 or 3 minutes. Just stretching it, poking noises with it, and doing stuff with it. Silently. Okay? Ready, set, go. So, that is over. It was really fun making this video, so I hope you enjoy. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, hope you like this video. And yeah, bye. Yeah, I said bye and then I kept going. Whatever. Bye.